Okay, so years ago, like maybe 15 years ago, there was an exhibition here of archaeological finds from Saudi Arabia, which the government of Saudi Arabia sponsored. And there were 3 like this, just most like that one, but big. And when you walked in, I don't remember what room it was in, but it was a small room, like this one. Everything was black. The walls were painted black, and the lights were arranged as if it was on the stage, shining one on each face. So it was the most beautiful room in an exhibition that I've ever been in.
Huh. Wonderful. Wow. I mean, they're so striking anyway.
Yes.
This says early first century.
Yeah.